Hello people in the world, so welcome back to CHHUOY Teams Official Channel. I am Mr. CHHUOY again, and today I will show you how to remove text inside your picture. It is a text here, uh, or we can say it a letter. And now we're gonna open a new layers here, create a new layer and drag it here also. And for example, I'm gonna use that to fit my screen here. Okay, and now click enter. And here is the way that you can brush tool. You can use brush tool and select it to this one. And now go to click on this color here and change, or you can scroll to this the background picture to select the same color on it. So click on that and then select OK. And here we go. Now you can drag it and delete it. And now you can put it a little bit more. It look like this. And now it is easy and fast. So it is very easy in removing, because it looks like we are painting, but we paint the same color inside uh, the background, the same to the background. So we need to choose the same background color and use this paint brush tool. It means you are painting to the same color to the background. So thank you for watching this short tutorial.